All right, I just got this because I need to see if I can snake my drain because we've got a little bit of cloggage in the bathroom. So we're gonna try it out and see what we think. All right, so here's the situation. Draining slow, draining slow. So we're gonna try this first. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna probably have to use an auger. All right, so let's get it out of the package. We got 3 of them, and I think it was pretty cheap. I don't think I really got hit too hard for this. I think the packaging is more expensive than the friggin' things, you know what I mean? I mean, look. That's so ridiculous. I do believe we've got 3, yeah. So I'm gonna put 1 in each bathroom, and you can see them. So the idea behind it is kind of like it's like a barb, and when you stick this down in there, it's supposed to pull all of the hair out. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna try to straighten it out a little bit here, get it straight. But yeah, now it's nice and straight. And I've got 2 more. Let's do those. Let's just get them bent out a little bit. And that way we can use them, you know, whenever we need them in the other bathrooms. I put 1 in each bathroom. Well, we got 4 bathrooms, but I'll just put it in 3. All right, so here we are. And now we can go ahead and try it. All right, we got that. Let's go back down in here. I'm sure there's more. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. That's a lot. And that could be the reason why we're not getting drain flow here. You follow me? I mean, look at this stuff. And remember, it's like a barb, so it's hard to get off the barb. You gotta use your fingers, and it's kind of gross, so you probably want to get some gloves. And they're sharp, so you don't want to put a hole in your finger and then get this bacteria in it. You follow me? Because this thing is just like a little pin, and it's hard to get off of here. Because the hairs, there's so many hairs, right? And they're strong. Hair is strong. Yeah, that's really strong. Okay, I got that off. Let's see if we can get more. Okay? All right, let's go back in. I'm sure there's much more in there. Let's go again. I mean, let's see if I can get it in there. Any more out of there? Oh yeah, there's more in there. Yeah. All right, I think I might have got it all out. Let's get some more toilet paper. All right, and let's scoop that guck up. And remember, do not throw this in the toilet. Put it in the garbage can and throw it out. You don't want to. Look at this. What's that doing there? Looks like I got to empty that garbage can too. All right, so let's try it out and let's see if we get. See if we get some. See how it works. Because I'm hoping I don't have to. Seems to be draining pretty good, right? There might be a lot more hair in there. Turn it off. See how fast it drains. I mean, it's still draining slow. Guess we could go fishing for some more. Put this back up here. All right, let's go in there again. Let's see what we can get. See if we can find some more. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. There's more in there. There's definitely more in there. All right, so anyway, I'm checking it, and it looks like it's draining pretty good. Let's see. Let it run a little bit. Seems to be working. I think we're good. Go ahead and turn her off. Now, if this didn't work, I would have to take that plate off and pull that thing out. But I think we're going to be fine, right? I think we did it. All right, yay, another great job by us. Peace out.